Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, as you can see, I have this Build and Battle Stadium. It's a Scarlet and Violet Paradox Rift. The thing is, I'm going to play my first cup this upcoming weekend. So I need some extra item cards, stadium cards, stuff like that, and some additional Pokemons, of course, and everything like that, so I can make a nice deck. So therefore I got this box, and it contains two of these build and battle boxes. Those are the same that you get when you do a pre-release event, and except for those, you also get three additional booster packs, some extra energy cards, some counter dice, a flip die, condition markers, and of course this box to hold everything in place. But let's take a closer look what's inside, so let's open it up. There we go. Okay, slide this off here. Just an empty shell. Then we have the box here. Nice box, very similar or almost exactly the same as an ETB box. Nice container. We got the three booster packs with the Paradox Rift. And then we get the condition markers for burnt and poisoned. We got a dice set. We've got a lot of energy cards, and when playing the game, obviously you need a lot of different energy cards. And then we have the two build and battle boxes, and inside of these there are, in each of these there is a 40 card deck, and then a promo, and 4 of these. So let's take a look at these two. Let's start with this one. Let's open it up. Take a look inside. So, okay, so in here we have the collection sheet with all the cards in this set. And we have the 4 booster packs. So in total in this stadium box you get 11 of these. And then we get this one. And here is the first promo card, the Iron Bundle, with the Paradox Rift stamp there. Yeah, let's open this one and see what pre-built 40 card deck we get. I didn't do that good. There you go. So obviously we got the TCG Live card, and we got the Iron Bundle. Let's zoom in here a bit. So we got the Iron Bundle, a trainer tips with these sets, different new cards, I guess. And then we got some energy cards. Energy. So this is clearly a water deck. How much water do we get? There we go. And then we have the metal energy. Then we have Wimpod. 2 of those, 3 of those. We got Golisopod. I mean, 1, 2, and 3 of those. Hone Edge. We got 1, 2, 3 of these, and as you can see, there are a lot of the same cards, so you actually can play with these ones. A regular deck, you can't just have one of each. That will not really be a good deck. Aegislash. Two of those. Double aid. There we got another iron bundle. So those are the same card. Different art, obviously. But the same effects. We got Bill's transfer. Yeah, Jacques. Larry. Nemona. Rika. Youngster. A nest ball. And a rare candy. So that was the first pre-built deck. Let's put this to the side. So now I got a lot of cards here I can use in a deck to build. Let's go to the second one. Just gonna open it up, and it's of course the same thing in this one, except there hopefully is another deck that's not the same one. There are 4 different ones in the same set. So let's hope I don't get the iron bundle this time. I got the Xatu. Okay, so we got the 4 booster packs. Got the deck list. Let's open this one. Obviously we got this card. Now we have the Xatu with the stamp. And then we have the trainer tips for this deck. Got a couple of energies. Take them away here. Psychic. Then fire. So it's clearly a fire deck or a psychic deck. Here we go. Shiju. We got Espathra. We have Flittle. Natu. Xatu again. It's the same as the promo card. Iron Moth. Elekid. Magby. Clavel. Jacques again. Mila. Parasol Lady. Tulip. Youngster again. Messagosa. Earthen Vessel. And an Ultra Ball. Let's go up again. Okay, so as you can see, we have the 2 decks, and I can maybe start from them and build something good. But before I do that, I have a lot of these. I want to open them all. Take a look. So let's go through them. Okay, let's open it up and let's see what's inside. And there should be 1. So we got the energy. And as you saw in the pre-build, they don't have any hits, so to say. But these obviously are the regular booster packs, so they can have Yamask, Surskit, Whismer, Flamigo, Norman, Earthworm, Toadscrew. I got the first holo, Larry, and the second one, Octillery, and Bombardier EX, double rare. So that's I would say a hit in the first pack. Let's take the second one, take a look inside. One to the back or front. We got energy, Mantike, Pansage, Minun, Snorunt, Tulip, Velusa, Chantal, Dweeble, reverse holo, Shark Cadet, reverse holo, and Shiju holo. Let's take a look at another one. So we got the energy, Porygon, Seadra, Magby, Vanillite, Screamtail, Technical Machine Devolution, Exploud. Okay, we got a rare already. Then we got Absol and Chien Pao. Got 2 rares in this one. Take a look. Take a look in this one. Got the live card. We got the energy to the front. There we go. Knackle Stack, Plusle, Dottler, Toxel, Garbodor, Future Booster Energy Capsule, Screamtail, so I got 2 of those, Tandemaus Reverse Holo, Wimpod Reverse Holo, and Wu-Chien Holo. Let's take another look in this one. Get live, energy, and I got fire. Apom, Galvantula, got a couple of those now. Mantike, Pansage again, Velusa again, Chantal, Garbodor, Earthworm, Reverse Holo. Ooh, nice. This one was nice. So we got a gold star. So is that a special illustration rare? No, this is a secret. It's because the number is higher. Very nice though. Please. And then we got Wushen. So this is clearly the best one so far. And we got two Wushen now. And we got a couple other ones that are doubled, so I can use them probably. Got the live card. Energy. Blipbug. Fuecoco. Honedge, Horsey, Garbodor, got 3 of those now. Technical Machine Evolution, Durant, Purloin, Reverse Holo, Simisage, Reverse Holo, and Kingdra, regular Holo. Let's take a look at this one. A lot of packs today. Live card. Energy. Pumpkaboo. Zubat. Gimmighoul. Purloin again. Ancient Booster Energy Capsule. Professor Turos Scenario. Mienshao. Yamask Reverse Holo. Oh, I see the edge colors here. That looks to be a nice card. Whismer Reverse Holo. And okay, I got a double rare. Tsarina EX. Okay, nice. Got an EX there. Okay, we have 4 more to go. Let's take a look inside. Live card, energy card, Spinda, Tink-a-Tink, Tandemaus, Dweeble, Chantal, Garbodor, now we got full stack of that one. Future Booster, Energy Capsule, Palkia, Reverse Holo, and it's a rare already. Crobat, Reverse Holo, and Thevil Holo. Okay, this one. Energy to the front. Natu, Joltik, Pumpkaboo, Zubat, Technical Machine Turbo Energize, Wugtrio, Technical Machine Blindside, Snorunt, Reverse Holo, Espathra, Reverse Holo Rare, and the final Milotic Holo. Okay, so as you see now I have a lot of cards that are duplicates, so I can start to build something. Some are 4, some are even 5, and that's what I need to build a good starting playable deck. But I'm a newbie, as we know, so I will not be able to make a good deck before I have traded around and make something good. But that's why I bought this, so I can build a deck to play in the upcoming cup. Okay, here we go. Whismur, Doublade, Surskit, Magby, Minior, Crocalor, Tulip, Professor Seda's Vitality in Reverse Holo, and we got Gligar, Reverse Holo, and then we got Morpeko. Okay, last pack for this box. Let's open up and let's see what's inside. Here we go, last one. Toxel, Lipard, Wimpod, Elekid, Garbodor again, Future Boost Energy Capsule again, Screamtail again, Techno Radar, Reverse Holo, Octillery, Reverse Holo, and finally Espathra. So there we go, that's all the cards. Not a big hit in this one. I got this EX and this nice Blitzel. So those are the best ones. And of course I have this energy pack. I think it was 145, 121 energy cards. But I'm gonna open it up anyway, because I want to see how it's divided. And I'm not sure what energy type I will be playing, so I don't know what I need. But as you can see, this is all just energy cards. And they aren't even in order. So, but here we got them all from the Scarlet and Violet set. So those are just good to have if you are actually playing. So yeah, we got the got a job in front of us here to build this deck. I have to go through what I have and see what I can make from it. Maybe I will do that in a video, maybe I will do it for myself. At least that's my next task. So hope you had a great time today, and I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe and give some comments. That's very appreciative and helpful. So have a great time until next time. Bye bye.